Welcome back to our channel. Today I want to ask you one simple question. Do you want to speak English, but you feel it's difficult? Do you understand some English, but you cannot speak? Do you feel afraid or shy? If your answer is yes, then this video is made for you. Listen carefully. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need difficult words. You only need small, simple habits. If you follow these habits every day, step by step, you can start from zero and slowly begin to speak English with confidence. In this video, I will share 10 easy habits you can start today. So don't skip any part. Watch until the end and begin your English journey right now. Lesson 1. Speak 5 simple sentences every day. Many people watch videos and read books, but they never speak. This is the biggest problem. English is a language for speaking. If you don't speak, you will not improve. You don't need perfect English. You only need practice. Start very simple. Speak small sentences every day. For example, I am happy. I am learning English. I feel good. I am ready. I am trying. Speak these 5 sentences out loud every single day. Say each sentence 5 to 10 times. Speak with your voice, not just in your mind. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are normal. They help you learn. Small steps create big change. Speak small. Speak daily. Grow slowly. Start today. Lesson 2. Learn 10 simple words. Everyday words are the building blocks of English. If you know useful words, you can make sentences and express your ideas. Don't try to learn difficult or big words. Start with simple everyday words like eat, go, come, make, like, want, feel, work, play, see. Learn only 10 words each day. Then use them in sentences. For example, I eat food. I go home. I like this. I feel happy. Repeat the words in sentences many times. Write them in a notebook. Use them in your daily life. Repetition and practice will make them stick in your memory. Simple words practiced daily are very powerful. Lesson 3. Listen to simple English every day. Listening is very important. Good listening helps you speak better. When you listen, your brain learns how English really sounds. Start with short, slow, and easy audio, only 5 to 10 minutes every day. Listen to one sentence, then pause and repeat it. You don't need to understand every word at first. Just focus on the main idea. The more you listen, the more your ears and brain will get trained. Daily listening builds strong understanding and better speaking. Lesson 4. Read simple. English everyday reading helps you see correct sentences and learn new words naturally. Don't read difficult books. Start with short, easy stories or simple paragraphs. Read slowly and understand each sentence. Read out loud. This improves both your reading and speaking. Read for 5 to 10 minutes every day. If you meet a new word, try to guess the meaning and continue. Read the same text again the next day. This helps your memory and confidence. Simple daily reading makes your English stronger. Lesson 5. Think in simple English every day. If you think in English, you will speak faster and more naturally. Don't translate everything from your own language. Train your brain with simple thoughts during daily activities. For example, I am walking. I am eating. I feel happy. I am opening the door. Practice thinking in English for 5 to 10 minutes every day. At first, it feels difficult, but slowly your brain will change. Thinking in English removes the translation step and makes speaking smoother. Lesson 6. Write simple. English everyday writing helps you organize your thoughts and remember better. You don't need to write long paragraphs. Just write 5 simple sentences every day. For example, today I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I feel happy. I am learning English. Write about your day. Read what you wrote out loud. Don't worry about mistakes. They help you improve. Daily writing builds strong English habits. Lesson 7. Practice speaking with others after practicing alone. The next step is speaking with real people. Start with very small conversations. Hello, how are you? What are you doing? Speak slowly and clearly. Listen first, then reply. Even 2 minutes a day is enough. If you don't have a partner, record yourself or speak to yourself loudly. Real conversation builds real confidence. Lesson 8. Watch simple. English everyday watching is fun and powerful because you see, hear, and understand at the same time. Choose short, slow, beginner-friendly videos. Watch for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Pause after each sentence and repeat it. Focus and enjoy what you watch. When learning feels fun, you learn faster and remember more. Lesson 9. Make English a daily habit in your life. Learning English is not about one big effort. It is about small daily habits. Fix a time every day, morning or evening. Even if you are busy, do at least 5 to 10 minutes. Speak a little, listen a little, learn a little. Stay consistent. Small daily practice is much more powerful than studying a lot and then stopping. Make English part of your normal life. Lesson 10. Be confident and never be afraid to speak. Confidence is the key. Don't wait to become perfect before you speak. Every learner makes mistakes, even native speakers. Speak anyway. Tell yourself, I am learning. I am improving. I can do this. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Take small steps every day, and your fear will slowly disappear. Now stop for a moment and think. You already know what to do. Small habits, simple steps, every single day. Start today. Speak a little, learn a little, practice a little. Day by day, you will improve and feel more confident. You can do it. If you want to improve faster, subscribe to the channel. Save this video, watch it again, practice along with me, and share it with a friend who wants to learn English. Let's learn together. See you in the next video. Take care and keep practicing.